Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can log in into the NatWest Mortgage account. Now for that, first of all, you need to open the web browser. Once you open the web browser, you open a new tab. On the search bar, you type in NatWest Mortgage Login and tap on search. You will be able to see the search result. Then you click on the very first link from your search results. This will direct you to the official web page of the NatWest. You will be able to log in into your mortgage account. For that, you need to type in the mortgage account number over here. Then you provide the date of birth of yours and your surname over this box. Then you type in the mortgage property passcode and click on login. Once you provide all the details in here and click on login, you will be able to log in into the mortgage account of NatWest. Hope this video was useful and how you can log in into the NatWest Mortgage account. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.